What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is your boy Marque with Savage Marketing Hacks, your lifestyle freedom fighter. And today I want to bring to you a quick review of a program that I'm actually in myself, and one in which I highly recommend that you look into yourself. If you're an aspiring entrepreneur, digital marketer, and you want to go further, you want to get into affiliate marketing, learning how to coach people online, learning how to build a business and launch it successfully, and learn every step of the process the right way the first time, I highly recommend checking out 𝗟𝗡𝗞𝗦.co. And this is one of my mentors here, 𝗟𝗜𝗡𝗫, and he's a successful entrepreneur, a seven-figure earner. He's an affiliate marketing guru. But I wanted to jump on this website real quick and kind of go over it very briefly, just so you have an idea of what is behind it. And I'll probably even log into our back end to show you a little bit of what's in our member area and let you know some perks that come along with the membership. Now, on his website, you can see here you have a large video of him where he kind of gives you a 10-minute introduction of who he is and what he does. Get exclusive access to his best training, his coaching, funnels, traffic, relationships, email swipes, and more. Every single month, he drops a funnel in which you can use. He gives you his share link, which you can import into your ClickFunnels account, and you can tweak a few buttons, tweak a few links, and use it for yourself. So basically, he has his team build it out, create it, launch it, verify it, test it, make sure everything's working properly, it's converting funnel. Then he sends you the link. If you're in his core membership, you can import it into your ClickFunnels account, just change a few things, and then launch it, send traffic to it. He also gives you traffic relationships. So he has 5 or 6 different guys in his private Facebook group that do solo ads. And the solo ad is basically somebody that has a large email list, and they take your link and they write up copy. Copy is like the text in an email. They write up that copy, they stick your link in there and say, hey, go to this link right here for more, and they send people. And you can pay for 100 clicks is like 100 people going to your funnel or your webpage or whatever your link directs them to. You can get 100, 200, 300. You can get thousands of links, and it's usually anywhere between 50 to 90 cents per click. Email swipes is basically copy and paste. He gives you a Google document that you can literally copy and paste emails into your autoresponder. An autoresponder is basically an email software like GetResponses, which what I use. There's MailChimp, there's ActiveCampaign, there's AdWeber, there's tons of different ones. But he gives you the emails that you can put in your autoresponder, in your sequence, to send out to those people automatically and follow up with them every day, every other day, every week, every couple months. And he gives those to you for free if you're in the core as well, and so much more value. But he has a little video here. He has tons of different testimonials. So for instance, this guy Corey said, I've spent thousands on products and courses in the past, and I can honestly say this is some of the best training I've ever had. Now we got a couple more here. You can read those. Jordan is one of the most brilliant offer creators and funnel architects I've ever met. And she has her own coaching program, and she does her own, funnel building and affiliate marketing. And she says his coaching is supportive and clear, and his strategies, when implemented, are the closest thing to printing money I've ever witnessed. Long story short, run, don't walk, and join Jordan's core. This is the core membership. This is the $97 a month that you literally can write off as a business expense before he comes to his senses and raises the price to something remotely akin to the value he's offering. If you are remotely considering jumping in, I'd suggest clicking the link down in the description and getting some more information and jumping onto his website and seeing if this fits your lifestyle. And like I said, if you're a digital entrepreneur and you're looking to start a business online, you want to be free, you want to be able to work from your laptop, that laptop lifestyle, baby, go work from a remote location anywhere in the world, the core is where you're going to get all the value you need to successfully launch an online business and ongoing support. And so this is all the bonuses, and this is all the value contained in this group. Private groups, private coaching. You can jump on a one-on-one call with Jordan as well. Definitely worth it. But let's jump into my membership area real quick. So here we are. We got logged in, and this is our membership area for the core membership group that I'm a part of. And so every single month, like I said earlier, Jordan will throw a new funnel in here, whether it's an affiliate funnel or coaching funnel or selling a product or service. He'll give you the structure of it, and you'll go in and tweak the settings, put your own affiliate links in, so on and so forth. So right here, for instance, we have an IG link funnel. This was one of the first months that he threw this in, and Core's been running for about 3-4 months now, so there's about three funnels currently in here. There's an IG link funnel, which basically is a funnel that he built with like 3 or 4 different options that you can stick right inside your Instagram account to start generating traffic or receiving emails from the traffic you're already generating organically. And so that was a pretty cool funnel, and it's all mobile optimized. Then he gave us the Core ClickFunnels course, which gave it to us to white label, so we can package it in any of our offerings as a bonus. And so it's basically a masterclass for ClickFunnels. I mean, it has everything from setting up your account all the way to running Facebook ads. It's absolutely insane, the value that's in this course. It's an entire course. People pay thousands of dollars for a course like this. He gave it to us to white label, like a license to do what we please with it or what we choose. And then this last month, in the month of June, we're starting the One Funnel Away Challenge. So he gave us a One Funnel Away Challenge funnel, and he has a little informational video there. Gave us some notes. And with this funnel comes a vacation voucher. He gave each one of his core members 10 vacation vouchers that they can give away as a bonus for anybody who signs up with them for the One Funnel Away Challenge, which was, I mean, mind blown, super generous, and really cool. So all you have to do is literally click to import it into your ClickFunnels account, and he gives you funnel scripts, things to write, what to say, and email swipes as well. I explained what email swipes is. You put it in your autoresponder. It's just copy and paste. And so I'm super looking forward to what's going to be the next, what funnel is going to be next in line for this next coming month in July. Super excited about that. He also gave us a 24-hour product launch bonus course. And this course, I mean, has everything you need to know in order to start selling a product from scratch, and how to generate traffic and make your product successful, launching it within 24 hours. He has everything that you need to know in there. And then he has an affiliate section. The affiliate section has the expert launch affiliate program if you want to, like for instance, I'm an affiliate for this program. So there's going to be a link down below. If you found value in this video and you end up signing up for the core membership, Jordan's going to give me a small commission for that, for referring that. So it's just a great referral program, affiliate program. And hey, we're all entrepreneurs. We're all looking to build our networks larger, and we're all looking to earn an income online. And this is one of the awesome ways that you get to do it. So that's it for this video today. I really appreciate you guys sticking with me up until the end. If you haven't done so up until this point, drop a comment down below. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, concerns. Post what what type of value you got out of this. If you're interested in joining the core, I'll definitely get back to you. Definitely subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. This is Mark, your lifestyle freedom fighter. I'm signing off, guys. Until the next video, we'll see y'all later. Stay awesome.